Bas, may ilang auditions naman na
Ay, na siya!
ng trabaho para dito sa X Factor. Was it a good decision? Let's see.
What's your name? My name is Peter. Peter Caimbon. How old are you, Peter? I'm 25 years old.
Ano naman ang pinagkakaabalahan mo ngayon?
Well, actually, I took time off from my last job and I resigned after I found out about this X Factor, so I joined.
Sino ang inspirasyon mo?
My family, of course, yung mom ko, my dad, and then my siblings who are here right now.
But do you have like a special friend, like a girlfriend or...
Wala po akong girlfriend. I proposed to her and she said yes, so we're getting married.
Okay, now tell us, what is this song na kakantahin mo ngayon?
It's a song by Stevie Wonder. Isn't she lovely?
Show us how lovely she is. Isn't she lovely?
Ayan, baka ngayon pa lang.
Isn't she lovely? Isn't she wonderful? Isn't she precious? Listen to me. I never thought love would make you all as lovely as she. But isn't she lovely? Made from love.
Fiancé niya. Pumuntahan niya.
Huwag kang maingay! Huwag kang maingay! Pwede ba?
It can drive a man to do stuff like this.
Oh, yes.
To prove what you feel for her. I felt your heart when you sang this song. Naramdaman ko yung puso mo.
Me, I saw your heart. It was pounding out of your chest.
Nasaan yung fiancé mo?
There's
You're very lucky to have this guy right here. So sweet.
What's your name?
Christine.
This is Christine. What can you say about Peter?
Oh my God.
Well, it worked, Peter. Whatever you did, it worked.
For all of the people that are here tonight, sinasabi niya, I love you, di ba? Di ba, ganon, di ba? Hindi na nangyayari ngayon. Ngayon kasi pag nagkilala ka ng bago, Dong, kumusta ka? Sige, tara, tayo na. Let's go. Ito ang ganda.
Let's vote, guys.
Let's do it.
While Christine is here, let's vote.
Of course, yes.
Thank you.
I say yes.
You keep singing with your heart, okay, Peter? Yes.
And Christine and I say,
Thank you so much. Maraming salamat.
well, kiss your group to be.
Thank you so much.
Next in line, si Jeremiah. Current job naman ay mag-iisa loving boyfriend sa kanyang one and only love.
I'm 22 years old. Dati ko akong nagtatrabaho bilang isang bagger sa isang department store. Nung nalaman ko may audition sa X Factor, nag-resign ko ako para paghandaan sa X Factor. Minsan nga, nadi-discourage ako sa dami ng mga requirements. Siya yung gumumbinsi sa akin. Very supportive talaga siya sa akin. Very thankful ako sa kanya. Mahal na mahal.
Parang inipon nila lahat ng mag